In this video, we will look at how to integrate a bubble trap into your experimental setup. A bubble trap has two fluid ports and one gas exhaust, which may work either actively or passively. Screw PTFE tubing into the fluid ports. One set will serve as the inlet and the other the outlet. The fluid ports, however, are interchangeable, so it does not matter which order they are connected to your tubing. This setup is sufficient for passive operation of the trap. For active operation, we need to connect the gas exhaust to a pressure controller. For this, we'll need a female Luer adapter. Screw the adapter into the gas exhaust and connect some tie gun tubing to the adapter. Now connect this tubing to a channel on either source 1 or 3. On our pressure controllers, only these channels can generate a vacuum. Once this is finished, you are all set.